Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a Happy Mail. This is from India. It was mailed 11/27 of 2021, and I'm opening it. Actually, we picked it up yesterday, New Year's Eve. That's how long the mail is taking now. So if you have something to mail, get it out. I actually mailed out Valentine's yesterday to some other channels for a collab we're doing. And I'm hoping that they get there. Last year I mailed out an Easter package extra early for a collab, and it did not get there on time. My heart was broken. It was with 3 different channels, the 3 channels I work with, J, Dolls UK, and I don't know that I said this is from Stella's Miniworld. I should have said that. I was thinking about how long the mail's been taking. Oh, look at this. It's all wrapped and pretty. And so is the box. I would show you the box, but it has her address on it. But she's got it jeweled. You can see this side. And she did hearts and a Happy Mail and hugs and Happy Mail on that side. She really decorated it up. Even the lady at the post office said, "Oh, this is really cute. They decorated it for you." How cute is this? On roller skates. You know I love a doll on skates. Roller, ice skates, I don't care. All right, and here is a note. Happy Mail. Very cute, Stella. Hope you like your little surprises, and yes, they are numbered. I really enjoyed sewing them, and yes, sorry, it is not much. I'm terribly dyslexic. You always have to work with me when I'm reading on camera. It is not much because you know what postage costs. Thanks. Always being an awesome dolly friend and being hilarious. Love you. Hope you like the little card, which is this one. I had fun drawing it. Say Darren a hi by me and sending him love and hugs. For Darren. You and Marna are the sweetest people ever. You are awesome. You are an awesome handyman and a great at making stands. And a really talented OFC. Hugs and love, lots of loves. Stella from India. That is very cool.
Thanks, Stella.
Very cool.
Sweet.
And she said they are numbered. Here's number 1, and it says Blythe Surprise. Let's see what we got. I always number stuff when I send it. Usually there's a reason. Wow, did you make this? Looks like something inside, a little note. Wow, that looks really cute. This little dress, which may fit your Blythe because I tried to make it according to the size. Hope it fits, fingers crossed. Stella would have made this stuff before she got her Blythe doll. Several of us mailed her one with some outfits and stuff, but she did this. Wow, this is really cute. Before she had her Blythe doll to measure it on. So we're going to get out some Blythe dolls and give it a go. How cute is that? Let's see if we can find 2. There's 3. Here's 2. Love you, open me, number 2. Stella has a cute channel. She has mostly Barbies and Baby Alive. They can't get, you know, we are so blessed in the UK and the US. You know, there's some dolls we can't get, but for the most part, we can get any doll. And if we work hard enough at it, we can. Oh my goodness, wait to see how cute this is. Oh my goodness, this is cute. But in India, Stella cannot get dolls. They cannot pull up the app for AliExpress. They can get eBay, but it's terribly expensive. So she could not get a Blythe doll. Look at these little PJs. Oh, that's so cute. Cute, 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 cute. Here is number 3. Let's see if I'm trying not to tear the contents inside. I don't want to use a scissors. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, there's a little note in this one. Let's see what the little note says. I'm loving this fabric, Stella. This fits Barbie. The straps tie around the neck. Hugs. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Oh, isn't that cute? Look at this. Little halter top. How cute is that? And here's number 4. Number 4. Woo, shiny sequins. I'm looking, see. Oh, yep, there's a little note. Let's see what the note says. A sequin tube Barbie dress. Sparkle up. Oh, that is really cute. That is real. These are the kind of outfits that Barbie, when I was a kid, Barbie was all glamour. All glamour. She didn't have too many street clothes. Hers were just always going to the ball or somewhere big. 2 surprises in 1 in number 5. Ooh, I can see more shiny and pretty. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. I'm loving that fabric. Let's see what the, oh, 2 notes. Not just 1, but 2 notes in this one. Found this cute fabric, so had to add some for you. Thank you. And this one says, a little mask made by me. Stay safe. Oh, wow, this is oh, look at that. How beautiful is that? Thank you, Stella. And let's look at this fabric. Sequins. You know, I love the shiny. Ellie Nefret says it best. She always says she's a magpie. So am I. I hope you can see the sparkle in this. That is really cool. That is beautiful. I have a collab coming up. I might use this far. Oh, wow. That is very nice. Let's see if we can find 6. Open me. A big one. Oh, wait till you see this fabric. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is really gorgeous. You know, that might fit my my big Barbies. Not my real big Barbies, my 17-inch. I have Barbies in so many. I have Barbies in more sizes than most people have Barbies. This, oh, Baby Alive, very cool. This is a Baby Alive dress. Fits a bit big on small Baby Alives, perfect on the big ones. Very cool. I'm loving that fabric. Again, the sheen and shine. That is very nice. Oh, and it's got a hook and eye, and she made the eye part. Looks like she embroidered that. You see it there? Not sure it's going to show up on camera, but that's very nice, Stella. Love it. Okay, these 2 are not numbered. Let's see what we got. Woohoo! How cool is that? Beautiful clothing, Stella. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at these. Wow, these are like traditional Indian. I love that.
Well, our perspective of traditional. I was
Traditional
just thinking that
India, yeah.
the some of these fabrics and stuff is what we see here in the U.S. as traditional Indian. I mean, who knows what
India.
India.
Yeah, very cool. Very cool. Oh, it looks like something else that is made up for Blythe or Barbie. Very cute little black dress. And it's going to fit more than one Barbie. She's got it set up so it will fit Barbie or Curvy Barbie. How cool is that? Stella, thank you so much. How fun is this Happy Mail? go visit Stella's channel. Like I said, she has Barbies and Baby Alive. I'm trying to think who else. Now the Blythe. She has a nice channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. If I stuttered and stammered, it's because it's very early in the morning. Our puppy got up at, 4:45? So I'm a little on the edge this morning. Please leave a like, because it's early, and subscribe.